Today we're going to look at one-to-one functions. As we've previously talked about, a function is a rule or a relationship that has only one y value for any given x value. So that means that each of your x or independent variable values can only correspond to a single y or dependent variable. And we can test that easily with our vertical line rule. If we draw the function as a graph, and any vertical line can only cross the line once. So now we're going to look at a subset of functions called one-to-one functions. And what we mean by a one-to-one function is that not only do each of our x values correspond to only one y value, but any y value only corresponds to one x value. So we're talking about here functions that when we draw it, not only do they not cross twice any vertical line, but they also don't cross any horizontal line twice. So that one there would be a one-to-one function, because any horizontal line they draw only crosses that once. Whereas if I had a function like a parabola, then there are lots of lines I could draw through this, like that one. That would mean that that's not a one-to-one function. Now, with this, remember, it doesn't always have to be a rule. It doesn't always have to be a equation. So this one here might have an equation, that one might be, but we could also have sets of points going to other sets of points. So if I had my function takes points 2 to -3 and 4 to 7 and 6 to 6. This is still a relation, still a rule, it's still a function. And because there's no repeats either in the first part, which would make it not a function, or repeats in the second part, then it's a one-to-one function.